Dear friends, today we are visiting Mont-Saint-Michel in France. Mont-Saint-Michel is one of Europe's most unforgettable sights. Set in a mesmerizing bay shared by Normandy and Brittany, the mount draws the eye from a great distance. The visitor car parks have been moved further inland to preserve Mont-Saint-Michel's exceptional landscape. The car parks are around 1.5 miles from the mount. Once you have parked, you can take the specially devised shuttle buses, which will take you to the mount. Alternatively, you can walk all the way from the car parks to the mount, taking in the magnificence of Mont-Saint-Michel as you approach. So, we decided to walk. Mont-Saint-Michel is a tidal island and mainland commune in Normandy. The island lies approximately 1 kilometer off France's northwestern coast, at the mouth of the Quesnon River near Avranches, and is 7 hectares in area. This staggeringly beautiful location has long captured the imagination. The story of how the mount came to be a great Christian pilgrimage site dates back to the early 8th century, when Aubert, bishop of the nearby hilltop town of Avranches, claimed that the archangel Michael himself had pressured him into having a church built atop the island just out to sea. Mont-Saint-Michel and its surrounding bay were inscribed on the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites in 1979 for its unique aesthetic and importance as a Catholic site. It is visited by more than 3 million people each year. Over 60 buildings within the commune are protected in France as historical monuments. Mont-Saint-Michel Abbey is the abbey located within the city and island of Mont-Saint-Michel. It is the main building on the island. The Abbey Church of Mont-Saint-Michel is built on top of the rock, reaching a height of 80 meters and consisting of a platform 80 meters long. The abbey is an essential part of the structural composition of the town the feudal society constructed. On top, God, the abbey and monastery. Below this, the great halls, then stores and housing, and at the bottom, outside the walls, fishermen's and farmers' housing. The construction of the abbey began in 1023 and was completed in 1523. The abbey was closed in 1791 and converted into a prison, initially to hold clerical opponents of the Republican regime. The prison was finally closed in 1863. Starting in 1922, Christian worship was again practiced in the Abbey. The Mont-Saint-Michel Abbey is divided in two parts, the Church Abbey and the Merveille. The Merveille was the monk living area. The Abbey is located at the top of the village of Mont-Saint-Michel. Due to its location at the top of the rock and the large number of steps, the site is difficult to access for people with reduced mobility and strollers. The entrance ticket to the monument gives access to all the spaces open to visitors, including temporary exhibitions. Once you finish the Abbey tour, you can come down towards the main entrance through the narrow streets. You can see a lot of shops offering plenty of food, souvenirs, and many more. So, dear friends, ending our journey to Mont-Saint-Michel, we return to the car park by shuttle bus. See you soon on my next video on Beauty of the World.